equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. First, power down your Lenovo tower and unplug it. This ensures safety during maintenance. Next, remove the side panel using your screwdriver. Keep the screws in a safe place. Once open, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for dust buildup around the fans and heat sinks. This is crucial for optimal performance. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid moisture. Wipe down surfaces with the microfiber cloth for a thorough clean. After cleaning, visually check all connections and components. Ensure everything is secure. If you notice any issues, remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you're satisfied, replace the side panel and secure it with screws. Plug your tower back in and power it on. For convenience, consider our pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Regular maintenance keeps your Lenovo tower running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.